Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to explore the top 5 e-commerce platforms available for building online stores and marketplaces. Whether you are a budding entrepreneur or an established business, choosing the right platform is crucial for building your digital commerce empire. Let's dive in. Number 1 on our list is Shopify. It's an all-in-one commerce platform designed for everyone, from beginners to experts. One of Shopify's key strengths is its beautiful themes and customization options, allowing you to create a visually appealing and on-brand online store. It also excels in mobile-first design, ensuring your store looks great on any device. Furthermore, Shopify offers an extensive app ecosystem, providing a wide range of tools and integrations to enhance your store's functionality. It gets a rating of 4.8 stars. Coming in at number 2 is WooCommerce. This is an open-source e-commerce solution that works as a plugin for WordPress. One of its greatest strengths is that it is free and open source, giving you full control over your store. WooCommerce is also highly customizable, allowing you to tailor every aspect of your online store to your specific needs. Its seamless WordPress integration makes it a natural choice for those already familiar with the platform. It gets a rating of 4.6 stars. At number 3 we have Magento. This is an enterprise-grade commerce platform designed for large and complex businesses. Magento shines in enterprise scalability, capable of handling high volumes of traffic and transactions. It also provides advanced functionality, offering a wide range of features for managing your online store. Additionally, Magento supports multi-store management, allowing you to run multiple online stores from a single platform. It gets a rating of 4.4 stars. Next at number 4 is BigCommerce. This is a cloud-native software as a service solution, providing a fully hosted and managed e-commerce platform. One of BigCommerce's key strengths is its cloud-hosted platform, which offers reliability and scalability. It also has built-in performance, ensuring your store loads quickly and efficiently. BigCommerce features an application programming interface, first architecture, allowing for seamless integration with other systems. It gets a rating of 4.5 stars. Rounding out our top 5 is Squarespace. It is a design-focused commerce platform known for its visually stunning templates and ease of use. Squarespace offers beautiful design templates, allowing you to create a professional-looking online store without any coding. It also features a drag-and-drop builder, making it easy to customize your store's layout and design. Additionally, Squarespace has built-in photography tools, perfect for showcasing your products with high-quality images. It gets a rating of 4.3 stars. Let's take a quick overview of the platforms we discussed. Each platform offers unique strengths and caters to different needs. This slide compares the top 5 e-commerce platforms, showing their names, icons, ratings, and types. From Shopify's all-in-one software as a service solution to WooCommerce WordPress plugin, Magento's enterprise open source, BigCommerce cloud software as a service, and Squarespace design-first platform, you'll find the platform that aligns perfectly with your vision. In conclusion, when choosing your e-commerce platform, remember that each platform serves different needs, from Shopify's simplicity to Magento's enterprise power. Consider your technical expertise, budget, and long-term goals when making your decision. With the right platform, you can start building your e-commerce success story today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.